I'm so awkward talking to the camera. Hi, let us do the thing. It is January, my dudes. So naturally, it being almost the end of January, this is the perfect time for me to open the subscription boxes that I have been sitting on for possibly up to 2 weeks, definitely at least one. I'm super on top of everything, but it's all fine. I have a cup of tea. My lipstick almost doesn't transfer. At the time of filming, I have not yet uploaded December's boxes because I'm a giant tool, but they are coming. So we will be doing Birchbox first, and this is a weird one because for some reason this month Birchbox came in a ball like this instead of the usual pink thing. Cool, I guess. We'll see what's going on here. Open. Ah, okay. So here's the pink thing. And here's something else. It's like, ooh. It's like a... oh, I can see you. Actually, I look really cool through that. Everything looks really cool through this. Can I just have like glasses made out of this stuff? Is this unicorn skin? Somebody page Christine, ask her. Is this unicorn skin? I think this is unicorn skin. I would say that this is unicorn skin. And it's nice. I like this. So it's like a little makeup bag thing. I guess I could use it for anything really, but yeah, it's pretty. Congratulations! Birchbox.
Hi, Birchboxer! Hi. Hooray, you're officially a Birchbox VIP!
Very incompetent penguin? That's basically me. Yeah. Right.
To celebrate your 6-month anniversary, we've added an extra treat to your box this month for you to enjoy. Plus, now that you've received 6 boxes in a row, you can enjoy 15% VIP discount on everything in the Birchbox shop whenever you shop with us. That's pretty badass. Alongside your other Birchbox benefits. Congratulations, Team Birchbox. XO.
So, that was a nice little surprise. And now we've got the usual thing to open. So let us get on with that. Okay. I actually do have scissors this time. Ooh. Alright. So this is what this month's Birchbox looks like. It's very pretty. It's sort of colorful. It's not I mean, it doesn't scream January to me, but maybe they're trying to de-Januarify January. Make it more festive, more spring-like. So as usual, the first thing is, and it says, shake your pom-poms. Oh, okay, so that's what these are, I guess. Pom-poms. Hello, Birchboxers. Okay, I'm gonna try not to see any spoilers, but I'll read the little blurb just because that's what I always do.
Ready to bring some cheer to the new year? Welcome January the right way.
Right. I get it.
By joining us to shake your pom-poms as we get excited for the year ahead. Forget the grey weather, this month's Birchbox has been specially designed making the gloomiest of days feel more vibrant. 2019, let's do this!
I am not the cheerleader type, in case that wasn't abundantly clear. But sure. Shake those pom-poms, girls. What do we have? Oh! They're hair pom-poms, oh my gosh. I mean, I might actually maybe wear these. I wish they were both red though, because one of them is like pale pink and I'm not a fan. But hey, one of them's red, so. The next item is something in a compact. Essence Moonlighter Cushion. Here. I think this might have been teased, possibly. Let's see. I mean, I like the compact. It's very sort of minimalist. It's all. I like how it. It's just white all over with all the text kind of justified left. Which is nice. So it's clay brand. Radiant Skin Essence Moonlighter Cushion, and then it has a flap thing so it keeps the applicator away from the product, which I like. I appreciate that. It's not going to be super visible. That is pretty. It's shiny. So shiny. That's really nice. I think I might actually really like this highlighter. I've been kind of meh about the ones in the past, but this one, I like the look of it. I am pleased. Cool. Okay, next thing. It looks like mascara. Yes. Punk Volumizer Mascara from, oh, the same people who did that other thing that I didn't know how to pronounce. It's Douce. It's D-O-U-C-C-E. So if there was one C, it would be Douce, which is French for soft, I think. I think that's French for soft, isn't it? If it was D-O-U-C-H-E, maybe that's... Maybe Douce is sweet, maybe. Like dolce. Maybe Douce is sweet. Not soft. I haven't studied French in like 20 years. I don't remember. Anyway. Yeah, so it's a volumizing mascara with quite a big wand. I like that. That looks so fun. So I'll have to give that a try. Cool. I liked the lip pencil from this brand, so I have high hopes. Cool. Ooh, okay. This is an After Spa facial scrubber, so it's like a spongy thing. I guess it's a spongy exfoliating facing. It says, for your face. And then it says, facial scrubber. So it's definitely for the face. Oh, this is Dr. Botanical's pomegranate thing again. This was, we got a like a overnight mask, I think it was, either in Birchbox or Glossy Box. Editor Gail will put it up on the screen or something, but right now I don't remember. Anyway, so we got a pomegranate thing of theirs before, and I've only used it once, I think. I didn't hate it, but I'm not sure I loved it either. I'll have to try it again. Anyway, so this is a pomegranate superfood regenerating cleansing bar, so that's kind of cool. I guess, I mean, I'm assuming it's a face soap. I mean, yeah, probably. So I will try it on my face, and if it turns me into a crocodile, I will not use it on my face again. Okay, last item in our January Birchbox is Philip Kingsley Flaky Itchy Scalp Shampoo. Provides comfort for flaky, itchy scalps for all hair types. Now, I'm almost certain that this is not going to be color safe, so I probably won't be trying it. So let us go back to the leaflet and make sure we've got everything in here. So we have the Clay Cosmetics Essence Moonlighter Cushion, which could have come in apricot tinge or copper rose. Okay, and then the Dr. Botanicals, which I could have gotten a cleansing bar in pomegranate, superfood, or cocoa and coconut. The Philip Kingsley shampoo, the After Spa facial micro scrubber, the Deuce, probably Deuce, right? Let's just go with Deuce. The Deuce mascara, and the hair bubbles. So, alright, thank you for birchboxing with me this month, and hopefully I will get my ass on the ball and be better with this whole video thing soon. Alright, that is all.